Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to validate a domain in ConvertKit. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course sign in into your ConvertKit account. And after that, just simply click on your profile on the top right over here. And then go to the settings over here on the drop down. And on the left side, you should be able to see here email. So just simply click on email over here. And after that, down below, you should be able to see here, verify the sending domains. So just simply click on set up your verified sending domain. And now from here, guys, just simply enter your domain. And remember, it must be a root domain. So this will be the example. And guys, just simply provide your domain over here and just simply go ahead and click on next. And after that, in your DNS provider account, just simply add the DNS records provided by ConvertKit. And from there, just simply return to ConvertKit and click on validate. And guys, if the validation is successful, you will see a message that your domain is successfully validated and it will have a green checkmark. And guys, tips for validating a domain on ConvertKit is that don't include HTTPS or www in the domain name. Or if your TXT record isn't verified, you might need to wait up to 15 minutes and just simply try again. And guys, remember that not all DNS providers publish DNS record changes immediately. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching. See ya.